Hello and welcome to One Word Meditations. Today's word is serenity. When you are ready, please find a comfortable seated position. Once there, please gently close your eyes. We will begin with Qigong breath. Guiding the air into our lungs with the hands in an upward motion and guiding the breath out with a downward motion. Inhale, guiding the air into our lungs, and exhale, guiding the breath out. Inhale, guiding the breath up, and exhale, downward. Inhale, and exhale. Inhale, guiding the breath up into our lungs, and exhale, guiding the breath down and out. Inhale, and exhale. Inhale, and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Softly place the hands on the knees, palms facing up, and choosing the mudra of your liking. Breathing in and out. Breathing in a nice, deep, beautiful breath. And breathing out, letting go of tension. In and out. Please continue your breath at your own pace and your own rate. Inhale, finding serenity, and exhale, finding acceptance. Inhale and exhale. Understanding that being able to find serenity within is a special kind of gift, a gift we grant to ourselves when we are capable of ratifying the soul. Drawing inspiration from Reinhold Niebuhr's Serenity Prayer, I've created a little prayer of our own. Divine love, grant me the serenity to accept the things I cannot change, the courage to change the things I can, and the wisdom to know the difference. Inhale and exhale. Living one day at a time, enjoying one moment at a time, accepting hardships as a pathway to peace, trusting that divine love will make all things right if I surrender to the will of the universe, so that I may be genuinely happy in this life and supremely happy in the next life. Blessed be. Continuing with the breath. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Finding peace with the breath. Finding serenity within ourselves. Divine love, grant us the serenity. Going to your place of serenity, whichever that may be. Being on your island of serenity. Discovering your island. Discovering your soul and accepting your soul and your serenity in whatever place that is. There's no wrong or right place because it's yours. Breathing in and breathing out. Scanning through your body, breathing in, letting go of any tension or stress that you still have. Letting go and accepting whatever feelings that you have today. You have nothing to worry about here. You're in this moment and you're safe. You have serenity. Breathing in nice fresh air and breathing out. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. When you're ready, bring your hands slowly and gently to your heart center and begin to rub them back and forth, creating heat within your palms. And then gently and softly place them on your face, warming up the face and the eyes, relaxing any tension in the forehead, and then placing your hands on your eyes. And when you're ready and comfortable, taking off the hands from the face, and with love opening the eyes. Thank you so much for joining me today. Namaste.